Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some trick or TN treats. So these are basically TN treat kits. I'm just calling them my trick or TN treat kits. And I want to get all my traveler's notebooks out to you guys before October starts because that way you'll be able to use them. They're just a little difficult to make so quickly. That's why I'm posting on Monday and not on Friday or Saturday like I had planned. But I really hope you guys enjoy them. So the deal with these is that instead of the plastic containers that I usually put the TN treats in, I am putting them in trick-or-treat bags. But today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my little trick-or-treat bag. Isn't this so cute? So I am going to be shipping this to you in a padded flat rate envelope. So they're not going to come like this. They're actually going to come everything outside of it just for shipping purposes, and if you'd like to regift it or whatever, you can put it all back inside. But this is what the little bag looks like. It's so cute. So everything is going to be numbered. From this point on, after I share with you what's in this kit, I'm just going to be sharing with you the traveler's notebooks, and I'm going to have them numbered. Everything will be listed down below so you can see what is available and what is not. So this is Trick or TN Treat Kit number 1. I used the Pebbles Spooky Boo collection because I love it. I think it's so cute, and I actually think the bag goes really well with the collection. So I have the ghost pattern on the front, and I have some black elastic, and then I have this little pocket on the sides. They all come with the pocket and the same little shaker pocket in front. So to save time on me repeating myself, all of the traveler's notebooks will have this pocket on the front and back. They will all have the same shaker page in the front, and they all have 3 inserts and 1 folder. So this is the first insert. You have 40 lined pages, and I love this orange flannel print. Over here you have this little pocket for a 4x6 card. I just put some of the paper in there. This is your second insert with the little kitties on it. And then this is the folder with the ghosts. So you have room to put whatever you'd like in there. This clear pocket holds 2 3x4 cards, and I just put these journaling cards in there from the paper collection. And I also have this little insert with the glittery bats. And then you get this last 4x6 pocket. And then, like I said, on the back, there is a long pocket on the side. So in this kit, you will get a little chip bag that I created. In this chip bag, you get 2 large felt spiders and 1 small felt spider with some little spider web sequins in there. I thought that was fun. You're also going to get this little sequin mix. So it's just a little sequin mix that I threw together. It's got pumpkins and ghosts and bats in the colors orange, black, and white. And you get it in this little container. Next, you get a couple of these glittery felt bats. So you can, tuck them on your traveler's notebook if you'd like. Use them on a project, whatever you would like to do. So you get 1 in orange and 1 in black. So next you're going to be getting these 2 bow paper clips. You're going to be getting this black Paper Mate Inkjoy Gel number 7 pen with a removable cap. Brand new. So then you're going to be getting a brand new roll of washi tape. This is orange with black bats on it. I have some treats in here as well, so you're going to be getting this little vampire candy, little bag of M&Ms, and then, my favorite, you guys know, I had to give you some candy corn, so I'm going to be getting a little candy corn. These are the acrylic table scatter from Michaels, so you're going to get 3 bats and 3 spiders. And then, of course, you're going to be getting this adorable bag. This I got from, I believe it was Home Goods. And it's so cute. It's got this little Velcro clasp. And it's just super adorable. So next, I'm just going to be showing you what things are different in the second TN Treat kit. So you're going to be seeing basically these items. So you're going to be seeing the washi, the bows, the chip bag, and the TN. Everything else is the same. So next, this is TN kit number 2, and it's the same thing. It's got the ghost on the front with the orange elastic, and the other one had the black. It's got the shaker in the front, and I use this speech bubble paper because I just think it went so perfect with the ghosts. So again, you have the 40 line sheets, the 4x6 pocket, another insert. This one has orange. You can tell it's got spider webs. And then the folder, the 2 3x4 pockets, and this cute little checkered pattern for the last insert, and then you have another 4x6 pocket. And then to go with that, you have the orange bill paper clips and the orange washi tape with the black bats, and then this is the chip bag. So it's the same thing. It has 2 of the large spiders and 1 of the small with the little spider web sequins. The only thing that's different is the back. So this is TN kit number 3, and this one you have the skeletons. I love this paper. I think it's one of my favorite papers in the whole collection. And then you have the orange elastic, and then you have the shaker. You have this polka dot pattern on the first insert. And you have this 4x6 card. On the second insert, you have this bone paper. And this folder, you have the spiders. You have these 3x4 cards in the little pocket. And then you also have this spider web pattern on the last insert. And then this little 4x6 pocket. And then for the chip bag, you have the little bone pattern. And then to go with the skeletons on the outside, I have the bone paper clips. To go with the whole theme of skeletons, you get the skeleton washi. So this is TN number 4, and you have the black spiderweb pattern on the front with the orange elastic. You have the shaker, this cute black and orange checkered pattern, or flannel pattern, I guess. You have the 4x6 card, the spiders on the second insert, the spider webs for the folder. I try to make these coordinate as much as possible. And then you have the orange with the spider webs. I don't know if you can see the spider webs. They're really, really cute. And then in the back you have the 4x6 card. And then to go with that, you have the flannel pattern chip bag. You have the orange bill paper clips. And then you have the orange washi tape with the black bats. So this is TN number 5. And this one just has the black glittery bats. Really, really pretty. And I have the orange elastic wrapped around the front cover and holding in the inserts. So I have the orange flannel pattern on the first insert. There are your cards. I have the spider web pattern on the second insert. I have this little skeleton pattern for the folder, which I love. And then here's a 4x6 card. And then I don't know if you can tell, but these are bats on this pattern. And that's on the last insert. And then here's a 4x6 card of the cover. So to go with some of the papers on the inside, I have the spider pattern. Goes perfect with what's inside. And so just because I really wanted to use this paper because I thought it would have looked really cute on a bow, I used the same paper that's on the front cover. So you have black glittery bat bows. And then for washi tape, I have this black and white spider web print. And then here's TN number 6. So I really love this paper, you guys, and I miss making my B6 Traveler's Notebooks so much. So that's why I made 6, because I missed making them. They were so much fun to make. So I have the orange with the black polka dots on the front, and I have black elastic. So for this one, you have the shaker, you have the spider web print on the first insert. you have the 4x6 card. On the second insert, you have the pumpkins. On the folder, you have the orange print with the spider web. Here are your cards. Here is the third insert with the cat paper. I love this cat paper. It's so cute. And then there is your last 4x6 card. And so here's the chip bag that goes with the kit. It's got the bats on it. And then for paper clips, you have the spider web print. And then for washi, you're going to get the black and white spider web print as well. So those were my trick or TN treats. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be selling these. These are going to be $55 shipped, US only, PayPal only, using the friends and family option. If you are interested, please email me first. I'll leave my email link down below, as well as everything listed so you can see if it's still available or if it is sold. I also have it in the title so you guys can check that out there. Prompt payment just so everything runs smoothly, and I will be shipping tomorrow. I'm super happy with how these turned out. I think they came out super, super adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you guys.